Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums here in beautiful Fairfax, Virginia. Just wanted to let you guys know we get a lot of searches for vacuum repairs near me, vacuum shops near me, all that type of stuff. I just want to let everybody know, if you're not in the Fairfax area or in like the Leesburg area, we service all of Fairfax County, Loudoun County, and the surrounding areas. We even do online shipping, so if you're looking to get some vacuum parts, filters, bags, accessories, a vacuum, and you live in Florida or whatever the case is, we ship everything out. We do domestic and foreign shipping, but we handle all of our customers within the northern DMV area, Fairfax, Loudoun County, even Maryland, West Virginia. So if you're looking for vacuum repair near me, come see us here at AceVacuums. We'll take care of whatever vacuum repairs or servicing that you need. Thanks, guys.